我们现在是在海湖庄园的 World Liberty Forum 这个午宴的现场，跟着卡姐一起来看一下这个午宴的情况哈。应该是上午在发言的嘉宾都在了，这个午宴也是非常的隆重啊。然后看一下基本是什么情况，应该能找到不少的重要嘉宾。我们看到这里是有一个游泳池啊，庄园的主要环境都在这边了。今天的阳光也非常的好。我们来看看都有谁。
And suddenly, crypto can come along. It's not people want to buy Bitcoin, they want to invest. That's trading, but it's also updating every other aspect of financial services, whether that's payments, instantly sending anywhere in the world for less than a cent, right? Or it's borrowing and lending, people getting better rates to borrow money instantly on their phone. And so we've always been a company and a country really that leans into innovation and tries to be unafraid of change.
Our company has been developing projects for 33 years, and we are specialized in luxury real estate in 6 countries across 9 global cities. This also brings in a solid developer into the tokenization world. We're also a listed company on the London Stock Exchange, so you're getting transparency, you're getting liquidity, you're getting access, plus the lifestyle benefits. So it's a complete offering.
的点赞关注哦。